Max and I are over here at the Wide Water, so give it a try on the Erie Canal. I'm Max. Today we're going to be using, what do we got for bait? Well, we got some chubs. We stopped at this little creek and caught them with some worms and a little pole that I use for bait pole. We're going to put in the trap, and we got some corn. If I want to catch a carp, I don't know. I'm kind of sick of catching carp. If I get bored, I'll bait one up with corn. I'm hooking up one with cut bait right now. It's just a head off a chub. And I got a live chub on the other pole. We'll be putting another cut bait in. See a big carp go swimming by. I don't know if you can see him or not. It's kind of ways away now. I can pretty much catch big carp anytime. But I'm after catfish and pike and bass, big sheephead, but no rock bass, please. I got one on though. Got him on the cut bait right easy. Here's the sheephead. Or catfish. No. Another big pike. It's a good sized pike. On dead bait. Cut bait. Good sized pike. I just seen him. Good sized pike. The camera's getting this. There he is. We got this pike here. Oh, we got another nice size part. Over here at the Wide Water. I gotta get the pliers. Nice size pike here. Not as big as the one I got on down now. Oh, core tube. Pretty good one. Cut him some. Oh, he's not on you. There. There. Nice little pike. Think of that, Troy. Shoot him, shoot him. That's what Troy would say. We're gonna release this boy. Alright. Where you going, mister? Find me, Pike. We're just getting a bite on the other cut bait. I got 2 cut bait in and 1 live. You think the pike will go after the live one? Probably easier. Just to get the cut bait. No, I'm killing that. It's already pre-killed. Bobber's down. Fish on. Good one. Good one, boys. And a dead chub, too. Let's see if I can see what it is. Oh, darn it. It's another bass. It's another bass. It's another smallmouth on a dead chub. Water's coming alive around here. Oh yeah. Another smallmouth. Another nice smallmouth. That's 2 in a row. 2 on the same chub. But he ate that one. Okay. I'll get the hook out of this boy and we'll let him fish on. taking it. Probably got off by now. Been on quite a while. Oh, he's still got it. Wow. This fish is strong. Whatever it is, it's strong, man. It's got me snagged. Oh, I think it's gonna jump. Took the live chub. Took the last live chub that we had. I just want to see what it is. Well, this is exciting, bud. Just when I was listening to fish report. Staying down pretty darn good. I haven't seen them. I think it's a catfish. It's a catfish. It's a catfish, bud. I saw him. It's a catfish. Oh, it's tail. Boy, they're fighters. All right. What a good day. We got the catfish over there. You guys not ready to give up yet? Catfish not ready to give up yet, please. Like a man. Feels like he's 10 pounds. Let's get him over here where we can get him out of the net easy. I don't like using the net. Only when I have to. Came unhooked. Nice cat. Big man. Well, I'd say he's 5 pounds. Nice male catfish. What? Sure. I'll release you. Look at this one, Max. Nice boy. It's a male. Usually the males are darker. Wow, the first decent cat this year. I got a couple smaller ones Monday in the canal. Well, today's Wednesday. I think it's the 21st of May. Nice cat. Thank you, Mr. Cat. Let this boy go. We love catching catfish, don't we, Max? Catfish are our favorite. Yeehaw, thank you, dear Jesus. Thank you. We got a hit. We got fish. Fish on. Fish on, Max. Feels like a bass. I'm taking this cut bait bite. It's not too good of a fighter now. It's a little catfish. Oh. No, it's a bullhead. This is a bullhead. You got that piece of chub drifting. I'm letting it drift with got a small bobber on here. Letting it drift. I got one. Got a live one on the bottom. Wow, Mr. Bullhead, how you doing? Let me get the pliers. Oh, Mr. Bullhead. Do a little dentistry here. How long's it been since your last checkup there, buddy? You got bad breath. Bad breathing. Bad breath. Fat little guy. I don't know if that sperm are full of eggs. Those are eggs. It's a mama. She's going to lay her eggs. Well, I'll let her go. See you later, Mama Bullhead. We called a daddy catfish and a mama bullhead. White bobbers down. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh, catfish day, little catfish. Smaller one. We got his daddy earlier, didn't we, Max? Yeah, on the cut bait. Boy, them boys love their cut bait, I'll tell you. Hold it there, little guy. Let me get that hook out of here. There you go, buddy. We'll let him go, Max. Splash. Well, Max and I are getting ready to leave, so we're going to be packing it up. And we'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching our videos. May the good Lord take a liking to you, and we'll see you the next time.